Here is the VX805 as it appears once it's been unpacked. On the left, you have the power supply. In the center, the VX805 pin pad. And on the right, you have the serial cable that connects directly to the VX805. Okay, our next step is to connect this cable to the VX805. In order to do that, we turn the VX805 over. You notice there's a cover here to the back of it, and there's actually a protruding screw. Now you've got to be very careful with this screw because it actually has a little bit of it has a spring on it. If you push it down, it'll pop back up. So the idea is to take a small Phillips head screwdriver and unscrew this as best you can. You may have to put actually some downward pressure on it in order to get it to move up. You don't have to take it out all the way. You see it's still in here. You just slid the door over. You'll see there's two sets of connectors here, but this is where we want to affix the cable. So we're going to take the cable, turn this upside down. It'll actually only go in one way, and press it down so that this rests nicely, this part of the cable rests nicely on the back. And then all we're going to do is return the cover as best we can. You got to do it the right way, of course. Put it down, and now we're going to press on that screw again and screw it down all the way in until it's tight, and that part is complete. Okay.